Giles Bryant from All You Need Superfoods, and we are announcing the 30-day Fresh Smoothie Challenge. So if you can have a fresh smoothie with All You Need Superfoods every day for 30 days, let's see what it can do to your health, okay? I'm going to see what it can do to my health, so I've measured 3 factors. That's my weight, my waist, extension of my waist, and what I can do for like one lift. And I'm going to see what I can do at the end of 30 days. So this is a superfood filled with goodness and fresh goodness. That's what we also want to focus on today to make a smoothie with. So look, I've got some almond milk in here, and I'm going to add some de-shelled hemp seeds. So that's a couple of grams of protein. This is about another 5 grams of protein. Oh, I picked some nettles fresh today and some mint. Absolutely fantastic. I'd use some scissors if I were you to pick them, unless you want to get stung. So probably a couple of 3 grams, 2.5 grams of protein there. And just to make it really delicious, we've got some chopped apple and some mango, frozen mango. Oh yeah, I just wanted that taste of the tropics because it's getting warm. And let's bang in a banana as well, shall we? And of course, the All You Need Superfoods, which has got such a broad spectrum of nutrients. It's another 11 grams of protein. So totally, I've got about 20 grams of protein in this smoothie. So simple to do. And those fresh greens, that's what we want to do with this smoothie challenge, okay? Even if it's you chop an apple in it, or you put some fresh greens in it, some kale, some spinach, some nettles, whatever you've got, whatever you can put in it, avocado, just put some fresh food in it, okay? Let's give it a whiz. So important, send in the love when you make your smoothie up, okay? Now, even though we've only put in 1 cup of, oh my god, that's amazing, 1 cup of that almond milk, that'll make like 1.5 cups because of all those other things in it. Look at that. Oh yes, absolutely amazing. So let's see what you can do, and let's report back. We're going to be sharing loads of amazing recipes. This beautiful thing about a smoothie, you make it how you want to be. This is absolutely delicious. And that's going to empower my day. So let's do it. The 30-day All You Need Superfoods. It's the Fresh Smoothie Challenge.
I'm doing the 30-day All You Need Superfood Smoothie Challenge.
Okay, let's have that smoothie and see what you can do.